moment have only underweights and neutrals as part of our recommendations.
Got it, Ankur.
There could be some companies which do better structurally, but in the short term, it's all at risk.
Ankur, we'll leave it there today. Thanks a lot for joining us. That's JP Morgan View. We run into the market opening. It's not bad at all. The Nifty, in fact, could turn in green. It's down only about 13 points. The mid-cap index is actually starting in the green, and the bank Nifty is down only about 40 or 50 points. Maybe the combination of the momentum from yesterday's second half and the fact that there was FI buying is helping the market. In fact, the Nifty, as I said, could very well turn in the green. It's about to do that. Nifty is in green now, and the bank Nifty as well in the green. So there's momentum clearly which is continuing from yesterday, in the mid-cap market doing quite well. Let's talk about the stocks which are higher. ITC is leading it. ITC is up 2/3 of 1%. IT stocks are actually doing well today. So TCS, Tech Mahindra, both are higher. ONGC is up. Of course, crude's gone up, so that's helping. IndusInd Bank is doing well. Apollo Hospitals is higher. Kotak Mahindra Bank, which has been a bit of an underperformer, is doing well. Hero MotoCorp and M&M. The auto space has been on fire, so that's a bit of a relative strength concept playing out. Shree Cement is doing well. Cipla, Wipro. I mean, the stocks are not having any kind of momentum. The Nifty as well is absolutely flat, but flat is good given the kind of global context that we had. On the way down, we have Bharti Airtel, which is down about 1.5%. Axis is down about 0.5%. I mean, then most of the stocks are down about 0.5% or thereabout. Asian Paints, ICICI, HDFC Twins, they are a bit soft. The other stock which is making a bit of a move right now is IndusInd Bank. That's up about 1.2%. As I said, ITC is the other one which is leading it. So that's looking quite good. But overall, SPI has turned in the green. That was a stock which had very strong momentum yesterday. So keep an eye on that as well. But overall, not a bad opening at all. The Nifty is actually up 10 points and the Bank Nifty is up about 64 points. Sonia, over to you.
So, it's a good opening for the mid-cap, Sanuj. 140 points in the green, 0.5% higher. Advanced decline ratio is quite good. The stock I'm watching is Affle India. It's up 5% right now. Goldman Sachs has initiated a buy on that stock. They have a target price of 14.95 on Affle India. It's slightly higher than where the current market price is. So that is, of course, one stock that I'm looking at. Apart from that, everyone's watching NDTV. It's still up. Despite the rally that we've seen, NDTV is still up about 5% Keep an eye out there. The whole consumption space has been doing really well. So today you have, these alcohol stocks, Radico, Khaitan, United Spirits. It's not even midweek. And look at the rally there. Big volumes as well. Phoenix Mills is doing good, up about 3.5%. Sun TV. So this whole consumption, entertainment piece is looking good. United Spirits picking up pace now. Apart from that, some of these mid-cap IT names are coming back. Happiest Mind, Persistent Systems are looking good this morning. Volumes also picking up there. MRPL, Tanla Platforms, a couple of other names that are gaining ground. Campus Active, Devyani International, Easy Trip, Gland Pharma was up for the last few days. That one's looking pretty good. Bata, Dixon Tech are a couple of other names. So now the market is getting a bit volatile, so don't lose sight of that. The Sensex and the Nifty have drifted into the red. So what's dragging the markets lower? Some of these Adani Group stocks. Adani Power is down about 5%. Zomato is down about 1%. MEP Infra, GAIL, Tata Power, a couple of other stocks. These paper stocks have been doing very well. So I just want to make a special mention there. JK Paper, Andhra Paper, etc. have all been in the green for a while. So do keep an eye out on those names. But otherwise, it's kind of flipping between red and green, but a lot of stock-specific action.
A lot of action, Sonia. You mentioned Affle, which is up 5. Radico is up 2%. And I'm only going to touch upon things with volumes. Chennai Petro is starting about 5.5%